My vision is better than it's ever been, better than I can ever remember it being. Hi, I'm Michael Kloss. I'm from Carlinville, Illinois, and I had my refractive lens exchange at Brinton Vision. My vision was okay, but it wasn't sharp and clear. I wore contacts, for 40 some years, and it just wasn't as good as I thought it should be. Brinton Vision was recommended to me by my local optometrist, and then I researched it, as much as I could. In fact, I never could find one bad word about Brinton Vision. I feel very comfortable here. In fact, I've never, and I've told my wife this several times, I've never from start to finish been so comfortable and so well treated by everyone. Everyone is so pleasant, so helpful, and it's just a very comfortable situation. And what I've gained with this, besides the fact that I don't have to mess with things anymore, is the distance, the clarity, that I've got. I was outside early the next morning, and the vision that I had looking up into the trees, it was still, almost dark, but, I knew then that my vision was so far improved just by, looking at the sky, looking at the trees, because it's just so much better than what I was used to. Things would adhere to the contacts, or you'd get dirt underneath them. It seemed like you always had what I would call floaters, with your contact. I don't have that now. That's what I mean when I say clarity. Oh, I would definitely thank Dr. Jason Brinton and Dr. Poore for all of the care that they've given me. The staff here has been wonderful. There's not a thing about the experience that I would change in any way.